the ADC elections, I think sinibaga like important counting ni dewo busuk zorate ekta gundugulun kha fourth largest applying kha out of 28 constituency ni bisingo 18,187 vote by sung lead khlaika out of 28 constituency ni bisingo 24 ta seat applying kha sung deskapono tiprasano mukhyamantri sanamai maharashtra mukhyamantri sanamai tiprasani je right shopra sungtu bunani haisi first time 2023 wo 13 ta seat langai main opposition party leader of opposition nangkha tipra motha bangma borok ni nongrok baikya blai kya hambai maro sini media staff rok no thanai je ADC elections I think sini baga blai ke important tai narok saimano busuk zoratei problem issues kha especially the constituency wa ang Sakha 12 Ramchandrogat a jagate bo issues laikya BJP political party rangni fund by cadre ni fund by gundagiri khlainai onek chaito kha haisi tipra mothani sini warriors okni proti rang by paina naikya tipra mothani joto senkrak rokto sikri sokrok khai ekta seknani naikya but end of the day tamukha tipra mothano applying kha haisi kai norok nukhana counting ni dewo busuk zorate ekta gundugulun kha haipano I was quite a time of patience khai tongkha problem mung tongmani sottebo kono react khaya kari jehetu returning officers boana Sakha kam khai tongdi kul khai tongdi boni samani pore angaba haike maintain khlai tongkha emon ki nukharo 60 vote manjano porjonto se tai kaise 0 the koi 600 votes rok khai count khainani nai khaisi je jaga 242 ma kha jaga 442 rok sramnani nai kha tai kabangma sini o counting agents rokno ba painani nai khaisi but last digi kono khlaimanliya applying kha sungno fourth largest applying kha out of 28 constituency ni bisingo 18,187 vote by sung lead khlaika total 25,000 vote ni bisingo BJP political party only 2,650 vote mangkha and sung 20,000 above vote langai 18,187 vote by sung lead khaika haisi all the applying money abo totally bubagrani sakau credit thango ha bubagrani naharmu ha bubagrani mukhang ha bubagrano lukurok poito khlaimani bagai tai waisa haino hai tipra mothano hapango tubu fika haisi taibo credit thango sini lukurokni protibo tamkai lukurokno rangri bai painani naimani bo gobangma jagao rang sarokani naikha kuti rang tong BJP high political party ni kintu a rang rokno choose khayawoi next generations ni thinang no sini tiprasani rights no choose khaye lukurok tini BJP high party no hari rekha sudu matro normal harimu hari relia out of 28 constituency ni bisingo 24 ta seat applying khasang tai charta matro seat se BJP applying o and itimodita mungjaw khan norok nukhana monu soilengta high seat general seat no pojonto se sung applying kha unfortunately tai few votes by sung jemon duita seat harika sini brother Hongsu tai brother Monindra otherwise a seat applying khanga sung 26 seat man kumahaisi but this is the first time ever in the history Ancholik party 24 ta seat langi applying kha abo national political party no sung hari ruoi je national political party world ni sobse largest political party world ni sobse ghanang party abo high party no sung hari rekha boni pore je CPM pray 35 years ras khaika i Tripura rajyo borno ba hari rekha oldest sini political party Congress India ni bono bosung hari reka abo haikeno buskani salabo norok nuknai sung 2028 ni je sini lama 2028 ni je route map already sung prepare khaina kha this time 2028 o sini lakshya sini naharmo jeskapono tiprasano mukhyamantri sanamui maharashtra mukhyamantri sanamui tiprasani je right shopno sung tubunani haisi gobang borok sawo Tripura Rajyo o 60 ta constituency ni bisingo 20 reserve seats ST rokni baike mukhyamantri nani sombok matro 31% population se ST tai kubuni general ni borok 69% baike mukhyamantri nani sombok ang tini sanani musungo Arunachal Pradesh High State o tini Pema Khandu bo mukhyamantri ngi tong percentage busuk bini tribes ni মাত্র 2.3% তিনি মেঘালয় হাইজাগাও সিনি সা কনরাড সাংমাবো মুখ্যমন্ত্রী দং বংনি পার্সেন্টেজ তো বুনিসে কমসে বাট বতিনি ইংই দং বিহার নীতিশ কুমার আবনসে সকাঙ্খা নীতিশ কুমারনি যে বিনি জাতিনি পার্সেন্টেজ অনেক কম বাট হাউএভার বো মুখ্যমন্ত্রী ইনখা ঝাড়খন্ডনি কক সাজাও দি হেমন্ত সোরেন bini je borok bini jatini population sto matro 24% haisi but tini bo mukhyamantri ingkha ne tini itihas eba je geographical India o kwbangma jaga obono proman khayo thansa tongna nangnai sung tibrasa thansang khangkai it is possible haisi and I believe national political party in the days to come kebo phano 31 seat borok marakya na BJP, na CPM, na Congress. End of the day, the Pramotha will be kingmaker, the Pramotha ni Phansara, the Pramotha ni Sitsara, Kebo Sorkar Gothon Kaimani Haisi. Ei time the Prasa Mukhya Mantri nai Tripurani history wo Maharashtra Faimo Pore Kabangma Laibuma Sekya Haisi. First Laibuma Tam Sekya Ancholik Party the Pramotha Karimani, Tik Duimas Poro 2021 sun keplaying kha 18 seat langai boni pore boni se sakangte kese record tam khaikya pray 23 bochor sini bru rokno sini jati no sini dopani borokno sini tiprasano sornati sanamui chatok pitok khlai tongmani tini maharashtra khorang ti samawai thansa khlaiye a 23 bochor ni borokni jwngjal no tini home minister Amit Saha a time ni chief minister Joyram Thanga Mizoram ni honorable chief minister sini Biplab Kumar de borok by jotu chukti potrongit matu bukhaisi that is also record history boni pore history sija 2023 wo Ancholik party for the first time 2023 wo 13 ta seat langai main opposition party leader of opposition ngkha Tipramotha ambo laibumangkha tini haino hai 2026 keta laibuma sini laibuma no sung record sebai keta laibuma sejauka 28 ta constituency ADC seat ni bisingo 24 ta seat langai thumping majority langai sung tini keplaying kaisi tabo haino hai keta laibuma senyani nai tongo 587 BCO sung contest khlainyai norok bungnai 587 ni bisingo 530 ni bisingo 560 obo high seat sing haino hai gothon khainani nai tongo o record subaimani pore haino hai 2028 o sing jeske pano tiprasa mukhyamantri sanamui sini basani odikar hani odikar joto je rights tongmani obo sing tu jai haisi lukurok blaike jwngjalo plaijak norok bo saimano Tripura Rajyo sini tiprasa rok Kebangma jagawono thangka hangkai rang puisani bial sak sori hamyani problem nukung nok nukung hamya gai abuni pore botaise o je watui nok barni bisingo kebangma borok ni nok rok baikya kebangma borok samung humung ma khayang kha watui continuously fight tongmani pore borok abo haibo tongo din haijra khlaya hangka ke nukhungo mairum krui nukhungo janani set gori ga obo hai rok je challenges rok nugui bokao mukti klaio haisi be sing zaman sak sini torop theke khai tongo sini honorable CEM bobo chaitogui tongo je mansak TTAADC hapangni bisingti chubanani be sing abo bang khusingo prai sinoro je constituency o ang tongo thanai koyek dino SDM no sabui 140 plus borok no beneficiary ang riman kha tai boni pore je issues tongjang medical issues rang puisa gori boy paimani abo hairok no kabangma sing help phaikya baksarok to sung media ni bisingti sung focus khailia pia onek kisu sung khlaiman kha o sido asukmani pore pia amsuk bai challenges thaya ko buskangni salatai bu khlaijaknai tongo je poito je commitment sung naharka tai lukorok sini proti poito khlaiei asuk highest vote bai sungma pass khlaireka oboni proti sini khlaijaktai tebo tongo buskangni sala aborok no khlaijaknai tai jaga jaga o thangi nai nei mani baksa mokol nu gerok norok nu khona media ni bisingti ang rekha baksa jaga himi mani abo hairok tongo borok no bo sung district hospital ni hoite disability certificate sung borok no kari rui borok ni bata ব্যবস্থা khlaina ni bagai step na harjagui tongo and school ni bo haino hai ani Ramchandroghat constituency ni andaro Harep Kuar IS ni bisingo total 51 numbers of schools tongo all schools ni most of the teachers rok bai ang in contact borok bai malaikha tei buskang ni salo education system no bahike sungtai bo agogriman sini thinang next generations ni sini students rok no motivate khai encourage khai tai bo borno opportunity manani scope runani abo sini proti commitment tai sung every constituency o je sungti promote applying na jagao ontoto kaisa kaisa ADC ni school no adopt khaine ni bagai Maharashtra ni Naharmung Maharashtra ni Dagimung tai sung abo no adopt khlaina ni bagai sung kok borojak and khubu khlaina haisi abo kaisa big change sungnai society o sini TTAADC ni bisingo education is one of the most important ang barbar sao debate rock khlaiman bisingti bang sao total 1633 numbers of schools tongo 1633 numbers of schools matro 1.2 crore haise budget sanction wang barbar sao and per school jodi naina thanga 7348 rupees ai hayo abo by develop khaine ni kono sombhob singya কিন্তু তাবু সং সিনি MDC ni fund by every constituency ho kaisa school ontoto adopt khlaijak nai no 24 ta sing applying jak 24 ta school adopt khlaijak hangkai abo sini buskangni salo education taibo kaham lamao phainai tai boni pore sing tui water no tuibo tui nungjak nai no tuibo TTAADC hapang sung commitment this time 2026 to the 2031 ni tenure o problems rok no sung resolve khainani bagai sung chaito gui tong haisi ngai tai je sak hamya ngai rok boro rok chugyang tongma rok abo rok no chubanani bagai bo sung tebo budget bahike sung abo no increase khlaiman abo rok no tibo sung salaijak khaisi and I think buskang ni salo sung palbaksa khai thansa khai jotoni chubai joto issues tongmani problem tongmani sung kaisa kaisa ke resolve khlaimane haisi